Let me give you an interesting statistic. There are 168,000 truck accidents in the United States every year. 32% involve an injury and around 3% result in a fatality. That means tens of thousands of people suffer severe and life-changing injuries due to these types of crashes. Hi, I'm attorney Gary Martin Hayes. I specialize in wrongful death and tractor-trailer claims. Let me share 5 steps you should take after a truck wreck in order to protect yourself. Step 1, call 911 immediately. The aftermath of a tractor-trailer collision, you or others may be in shock and not realize you are hurt. If there are severe injuries present, the sooner emergency services are notified, the greater your chances of survival. Step 2, collect evidence. If possible, gather as much evidence as you can while you are at the scene of the wreck. Use your phone to take pictures and video the damage to your vehicle and any visible injuries on yourself and your passengers. Video everyone that's involved in the wreck. Gather names and contact information of the other drivers and witnesses. And if you weren't able to gather evidence during the immediate mayhem, gather what evidence you can after the fact. Step 3, do not admit fault. Do not apologize. Stick to the facts of what happened when speaking to an investigating police officer and anyone else at the scene. Take note if the trucker or another driver admits fault or says something like, "I only took my eyes off the road for a second," or "I didn't see you next to me." Oftentimes, trucking companies send their own investigators to the scene. Again, stick to the facts of what happened and don't let them pressure you into admitting something you didn't do in the heat of the moment. Better yet, don't talk to them. Talk to me first. Step 4, see a doctor. If you're taken immediately to the emergency room, go see the doctor there. Don't leave the emergency room until you're examined and treated. Even if you feel fine, your injuries could be internal. The pain may not hit you until a day or 2 after the wreck. Go to the doctor. They may detect something that is wrong before you do. And if you don't have health insurance, I can help you get to a doctor I know and trust, and one that the insurance companies know and respect. This is not a game. You need medical care, and we can help you get to a doctor quickly. Step 5, call someone that is experienced in handling truck accident cases. Seriously, there's nothing better or more comforting than having a lawyer in your corner, especially one that has handled truck wrecks before. We won't let the insurance companies give you the runaround. In fact, I, along with my partner Sarah Jett, wrote the #1 best-selling books, The Authority on Wrongful Death Claims in Georgia and The Authority on Tractor-Trailer Claims in Georgia for other attorneys. As an attorney who's experienced in semi-truck accidents, we will demand a copy of the driver's log. This log is federally required to be kept by all truckers. It details when they start and end their day, where they stopped, and certifies if they inspected the tractor and the trailer. It can tell us whether they were speeding between locations or spending too many hours behind the wheel, leading to exhaustion and fatigue. Now, big rig crashes can be complicated. They are complicated. You've got the driver, you have their trucking company, you have the trucking company's insurance company, and you have the insurance company's lawyers. Not to mention there may be other vehicles involved in the wreck. It's complicated, so you should hire a truck accident lawyer that knows what he or she is doing to ensure your rights are fully protected. Contact me, Gary Martin Hayes. I will fight to get you the medical treatment you need and the compensation you deserve. You have nothing to lose by calling me, but think of all you can lose if you don't. 770-934-8000. I look forward to speaking with you.